What's up, guys? Clearly I'm in a totally different area. I'm in a totally different space. You're like, what the fuck, is this where you work? Yes, this is where the magic happens. I am at work. I live here. I live here. I live here. Okay, so like I said, we're in a totally different location. We're in my nail suite. I'm not gonna do like a whole nail tour and all that good stuff in this video because I cleaned up a little bit. I mean, it's clean, it's sanitized, but like I need to organize stuff for like YouTube value. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm going to be opening a couple of packages that I got from some nail techs that just wanted to show me some of their work. I'm going to shout them out here on my YouTube channel, but I am going to do the reveal and opening, so you guys are going to see like an insert clip or whatever, and I'm going to show you guys what they sent me. I don't know what they sent me, but I was just like, you know what, you can go ahead and send me something. So we're going to start. Okay, so this next vendor that I have a package from comes from the Nail Matrix, and you can find her on Instagram at the Nail Matrix LLC. She sent me a package. Hey girl, hey. This is actually, so funny story. I want to call her my friend. I hope she feels the same way about me too, a nail tech friend. Okay, anyway, so Miss Gel Galore, she was recently here on my YouTube channel. She submitted for my nail submission video. And she is a brand ambassador for the Nail Matrix, so I am reviewing the products. But she wanted to send me a gift or whatever, and because she's a brand ambassador, she was going to send me, you know, their stuff. But then she placed the order and was like, hey, I'm sending this to Drippy Nails, and the company ended up sending me the package. So if it wasn't for Miss Gel Galore, like, I probably would not be getting this package right now. So I want to shout out Miss Gel Galore. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I just talked to her today, like for a good ass 2 hours. We nail buds. I hope you realize that now. So anyways, the Nail Matrix LLC, she sent me some acrylics. So I'm gonna definitely read this really quick to you. It comes in a tightly sealed bag. Tightly sealed, like, I don't know, bubble wrap, scotch tape. I don't know how she did this. Like, this thing was vacuum sealed. Like, I thought she was trapping. Sorry if you don't know what that means, but yeah, it was vacuum sealed. Anyways, so it comes with this pretty card right here, and it says, thank you for supporting my small business, family, and dream. I can't wait to see you bring your art to life. Welcome to Glam Gang, Tiffany. And it has the Nail Matrix LLC and then Interstellar Collection. Ooh, it's from the Interstellar. I'm so tongue twisted. I'm so sorry, guys. I've been up since 4. Interstellar Collection. And you guys always be making fun of me saying Vietnamese. I think I'm saying it right now. Like, you guys, I still get comments, you're saying it wrong. Listen, I made that video over 2 years ago. I've been practicing. Am I saying it right? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna open this under the other camera. It's already cut it, clearly. This is really pretty. Really pretty. It says, oh, it's got a nice little thank you sticker. Thank you for supporting my small business. I really like this sticker. Like, I kind of don't even want to open this, but I'm gonna open it. So we're gonna open it. Let's see. I'm kind of excited. Let's see what colors. I have so many colors. You guys know I like colors. You guys know I like color. Oh, she sent me some stones too, hunty. Okay. Oh, I like these containers. These containers are nice. Oh, look how sealed it is. Girl. Okay, listen. Hold on a second. Listen, Linda, wait a minute. Hold on a minute, because I am impressed, girlfriend. I'm impressed. You sent me a lot of extra stuff. I appreciate that. I'm very thankful. But besides sending me the extra stuff that wasn't even going to be in here, this packaging, hello, you did not come to play. Like, small business.
I did not come to play with you hoes.
Girl,
I came
this
to
looks
play,
like it came out of
bitch.
like a factory. Like, I kid you not. Okay, so we've got, I love this packaging. Very nice stickers. Very nice. I love this. The Nail Matrix. I'm a Matrix stan. Is that where you, anyways, I like the container. I like the containers. I don't want no scrubs. I like the color too. You see this color, guys? It's like a neon green. It's a neon green. It's neon green. It's neon green. This is a blue. I love men without the N. Oh, I love me. I love me. Sorry. High moment. High moment. I was like, without the N. Is back to this packaging, like I said, is phenomenal. I'm so happy you gave me Mimosa Me, because I'm like, out of all these colors, they're very pretty, very, very pretty colors. But I was really excited when I saw this color on Miss Gel Galore's nail submission, and also on her Instagram. Very pretty color. Okay, so I know I'm already going to use it, so I'm going to open it. So me personally, I don't know if this is just me, maybe it is just me. I like to shake my acrylic before I use it every time, because I feel like it's been sitting there and like the colors and the powder and everything. I don't know why. I just feel like you should shake it. So I personally shake it so it mixes together and the consistency is correct. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't know if I'm doing anything, but that's just a habit of mine. Let me turn off my fan. Had my fan on for my client earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna pat it. I like to pat it so I can get all the dust settled, so when I open it, it doesn't poof everywhere. Ooh. Ooh, it even comes with that little top on top. Girl, you did not come to fucking play at all with this packaging, hunty. Look at this. I'm gonna move one of my lights so you guys can really see like this orange color, because do you see? And it's sparkly. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Yes, I'm using my desk lamp. Like, you guys don't know how many freaking lights I have. I have 4 lights in front of me right now. It's ridiculous, but this is really pretty. Oh my gosh. And you give me a lot. She gives you a lot. That is, I'm here for it. She gives you a lot. How many ounces is this? Does it say? It doesn't say how many ounces it is. It doesn't say how many ounces it is, but she gives you a lot, and it's filled to the brim. Let's just open the other ones, because I'm just curious. Like, I just want to see nail problems. Let's see. Ah. Oh, yeah, shakeroo. Then a little shake it, shake it, shake, shake what your mama gave ya. Okay. A little tap tap. I like the seal on it. Oh, the other one is just... She did not come to play. Look at it. It's giving me Tinkerbell vibes. It has light glitter in it. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty. I wonder if these glow in the dark. Miss Gel Galore was on live on her Instagram yesterday and was doing a set. And I wonder if it's this blue. I wonder if it's this blue. This blue that I got. This one right here, I think this one glows in the dark, if I'm not mistaken. And one thing I think that she was saying as well was like, one thing with glow in the dark colors, you guys ever notice how like, you'll get a glow in the dark color and then the glow in the dark color glows differently than the actual color, if that makes sense? So let's say you have yellow but it glows blue. Like what? Like, I want yellow glow in the dark, just like how it looks in real life. Like, I mean, it's cool, but sometimes people actually want to have like the actual like color to match what it looks like in the daytime. So I wonder if it's this blue that she sent, because I really like this blue. I wonder if it is this blue. I wonder. This is really pretty. Does this one have glitter as well? I just spilled some in my hand. Look at me being wasteful. Well, the nail matrix, just letting you know, sis, you fill these to the brim. Like, thank you. Because a lot of companies be stingy. I have enough to waste on my hand. I'm a little disappointed I just spilled that. How clumsy of me. But I really like these colors. She gives you a lot. I don't know how much this is, but this is definitely like it's spilling. Oh, it's in my hand. Do you see that? It's in my hand, literally. She also brought me brought me. She also sent me, these are Rhinestones. Are these Swarovskis? Bitch, I know she, excuse my language. I was just say, I know this bitch is not sending me no Swarovskis. She ain't that generous because I'm surely not either. I will send you some Rhinestones, but not no Swarovskis, hunty. These are still cute though. These are pretty. Are these? Unless she got me fooled, hold on. These are some really good crystals. If these are crystals, these kind of, I have to look at them, like, I'll have to look at them under my magnifying glass to really see if they're Swarovski. But these ones right here that she sent me, these ones, the bigger ones compared to the smaller ones, they look a little shiny. Not even a little shiny, they are shiny. So, I'm curious. Okay, we also, Mylar. I have Mylar. I know how to make Mylar. I love Mylar. I will definitely be saving this. I have a whole drawer just filled with these little things of Mylar right here. Like, I have so many. Ooh, we have this other type of glitter. I like these glitters. I like these glitters. I like these to go on top of my nails. I don't like to encapsulate them. Like for like fuzzy type nails, yes, I've done fuzzy style nails. I like to use these on top. I don't like to encapsulate or to mix them together personally. Wow. Hold on a second. Okay. So we have this little brush right here. Is this for 3D art or is this for a paint? Is this for paint? I'm sure I could use it for literally anything. You can do whatever your heart desires. Listen, this was the cherry on top. I'm happy with the acrylics, but you don't know how much I needed this. I needed this. I wanted the acrylics. I needed this. Thank you. I really like this stuff. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try this Mimosa Me though. This Mimosa Me is definitely going to be used maybe. I'm definitely going to try something out. I'm definitely going to try something out with the Mimosa Me, and I think it glows in the dark. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried the Nail Matrix before. She's on Instagram. Again, it's the Nail Matrix LLC on Instagram. She is a small business, single person. Her packaging, you guys literally just saw me take the pack. Listen, I've never seen packaging like that ever from like a small business, like where it looks like it's coming from the factory. But then again, I've never bought acrylic from a small business before either. So you're going somewhere with your packaging and everything. This is really nice. I can't wait to use this. Thank you for sending this to me. You guys can send me stuff. My address is public. You just send me an email, be like, hey, I want to send you something, and send it to me. And if I really like your artwork, if I really like your stuff, I will post it here on my YouTube channel and talk about it. I really will. I like to share good stuff with other nail techs. I'm not stingy. As you guys clearly know on my channel, I like to interact and talk to you guys and give you guys tips and stuff. I'm going to see how this brand works. I do know that the Nail Matrix does have, let me pause this. I do know that the Nail Matrix does have monomer. So I'm going to be trying out this acrylic with my Young Nails monomer, but I do know she has monomer for her acrylic brand. So I'm not going, when I do use this as like a demo, I'm not going to judge it too harshly because I don't have the acrylic system designed for this acrylic. I don't have the liquid that is designed for this acrylic, so I'm not going to rate it too harshly with the monomer that I have. But I definitely am going to try out these acrylic colors. I always try out new stuff before I put it on clients because I don't want to try something out and then I see like, oh, this acrylic is pasty or this acrylic is slimy. Like, I want to see what it's like. So I'm going to try it out with my monomer first, and then hopefully in the future I can try it out with her monomer as well and see what the consistency is like. But again, I want to say thank you, Nail Matrix, for sending the Nail Matrix. I want to say thank you for sending these to me. You can always send me more stuff to try out here on my YouTube channel. I'm excited about this Mimosa Me though, chick. Like, this and this, Mimosa Me and this right here made my day. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys can leave a comment. Like, I sometimes am in there and I sometimes will respond, and I sometimes get nail, video ideas and stuff. So if you want to see something here on my channel, feel free to leave a comment down below. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.